When you're driving down the highway at night and you're feeling that wild turkey's bite, don't give Johnny Walker a ride, 'cause Jack Black is right by his side. You might get taken to the jailhouse and fined. You've been arrested for driving while blind. Now just the other night with nothing to do, we broke the case of proof 102 and started itching for that wonderful feel of rolling in an automobile. You can say we was out of our mind, and let me tell you we was blind while blind. Then we had us up against the wall. Hey, it's only blood-grade alcohol. There ain't no cause for alarm. We ain't out to do nobody no harm. How could anyone be so unkind to arrest a man for driving while blind?
Hey everyone, Joe here, just doing a quick update on the Monogram 64 Pontiac GTO, as you can see there. Got a lot of progress done, and again, another simple build. Pretty much this has been a year of simple builds. We might switch that up, I think, and we'll do an update on something like that. But here's what we have so far. Chassis is in a satin black, which was just a Krylon, and actually thought I had grabbed flat black, and it turned out to be satin, which is fine, not a big deal. Did a little bit of scratching on it. Ushi powdered are other parts are flat black, like the drivetrain. Those are all flat black, and then Ushi powdered are gas tank and our exhaust system. I believe this one is steel and that one's iron. Could be reversed though. You can see our engine is in. I'm not sure how good of a picture of the engine we're gonna get. We just had it. So, again, real simple. We did, however, are we gonna get it? Let's see if we get it. We put a bracket for our alternator. You can kind of see it hanging in there. But we are missing the water pump. Don't know where that went to. More than likely my fault, because it looks like it's been cut off the tree and everything else was there. I don't know if it went flying or what, but our water pump is missing. Sorry, you can just get a, plastic 2-liter bottle and put it on there, right? That's how it works. Tried the AK aluminum metalizer for the first time on the transmission and the headers, or valve covers, sorry. It's okay. It lays down nicely, but it's in an enamel, and it's tricky to use the washes with because you're using enamel thinner for the washes. So, yeah, it's nice. It's a little too bright for me. It's like a bright aluminum, so I probably won't use that again. But it was good. It laid down really nice. It's really nice. Don't get me wrong. I think I'll stick with my all-clads. But it was good to try. But that is our tri-power engine. The carburetors are a pale gold by all-clad. And we've just got it weathered up a little tiny bit and wired, which came out horribly, so I'm glad it's not focusing. I'm not real good at wiring yet. I'm gonna get there, but anyways, that's what we have so far. Get some more updates here soon, because we do have other things that we've worked on that we're just not ready to show yet, but yeah, all good with that. And then we should also have an update soon on the B5N1 Kate. So stick around, doing a little by little, as much as we can. And until next time, everyone, I hope you're doing well, stay safe, and take care.